this is Dia from Enjoy Star Food. We are going to A&W.
A&W offering ingredient farm with care.
So they offer without antibiotic and hormones all the meats, I think so, and offer organic coffee as well. Hey guys, so we are here today at A&W. So we bought it breakfast here, cheese and egg. We just ordered. We got coffee and tea right now, and our other orders in the video right now. So we'll show you more on our table. Let's go and enjoy the star food. Hello folks, so we are on our table. Let's show you and give you the review what we have it here. Let me move the coffee on that side. So we ordered sandwich, cheese and egg on our regular bun. So that they have it egg and cheese that already melted. It's looking so fresh, and the bun is also a sesame bun. And you know, like I've been ordering this for a while, and I found this is the best sandwich among all the fast food chains. Let me bite for you guys. As usual, it's fresh, it's very good. You can taste cheese, you can taste even sesame, and I love on the regular bun. It's very good, very good.
You love it?
And you know, I'm not sure you guys agree with me or not. They have the best hash brown as well.
Yeah, me
They
too.
always
Always like their hash
yeah,
brown.
always. The hash brown is very good. It's a kind of rectangular form and a little bit thick as well.
Yeah.
So usually I take with the ketchup, hot and fresh, very nice. And I also found this is the best.
Oh my god, this is my favorite
best.
turnover.
Apple turnover.
Yeah.
They have a kind of a sugary,
Voila.
liquid, sweet liquid and apples, and very good, very nice, very fresh. Let me taste that as well.
It's good. All the time it's good. We love
All
it.
the time.
Yeah.
We love this breakfast combo. It's
Yeah.
very good, and plus they offer organic coffee.
Yeah.
So here I have organic coffee, and I love this as well.
Over here, I wanna request A&W, please introduce strawberry flavor turnover, please.
Yeah, apple turnover as well. This is our recommendation
You guys have apple turnover, please introduce strawberry turnover as also.
as well. Yeah. And thank you very much watching this review. Keep us watching. Keep watching US Star Food. We'll bring more entertainment and flavorful videos for you.
Okay.
I'm signing off right now. See you later. Bye bye.
Eat healthy. All the time eat healthy. Okay. From Dia, it's bye-bye.